All right.
All right,
Good
floor's all,
evening.
floor's all yours.
Okay, thank you. Good evening, everyone. Tonight we're going to be going over binary options, and we trade binary options on the platform called Pocket Option. There are other platforms in which you can trade binary options, but this is the one that we've been using on the Epic platform. So this is what we're going to do. Pocket Options, again, is the broker, and you can use this app either on your desktop, laptop, or on your phone. I like to trade it on my desktop just because I can see better, but you can do it on your phone if you prefer. To fund, you can create a demo account, of course, and if you want to create a live account, you can use Bitcoin to fund your account. Binary options is technically scalping because you're in and out of the market for a specific period of time. You can trade binary options 24/7. So daytime, noontime, nighttime, weekends, whenever you want to, you can certainly jump on this app and trade. I like trading binary options because unlike Forex, whereas you have to decide where you're going, what price you're going to enter in, how many pips you expect it to move, and so on and so forth. With binary options, it's simply, do you expect price to go up or go down based on where you enter? And how that is determined, how I've been determining where I enter is based on the master candle system that Sham teaches. So I look for an engulfing candle and then decide if I'm going to take the trade based on what these indicators are also telling me. The stochastic oscillator and the CCI are the two indicators that Jalil, who is the binary master, recommends. So I use those, and that's what I do. Let me see what else is on here. I think that's it. So of course I'm looking at, the other thing about trading binary options, you have the option to trade currencies. So all of these currency pairs can be traded, and they're all at 80%, which is a good percentage because it's been recommended that we trade nothing less than 80%. So they're all at 80, which is wonderful. You can trade cryptocurrencies. However, it's been recommended that we don't because they don't pay a very high percentage. You can trade commodities, UK Brent, I believe that's oil, US crude oil, silver, and gold is an option. And then finally, you can trade stocks. And see, all of these are at 80%, but Pfizer, Caterpillar, Lukoil, 3M, and McDonald's are less than 80%. So we would not even look at those because they don't pay enough. And what I simply do is I just look for trades. I look for setups between the currencies, the commodities, and the stocks. So we'll begin. So let's take a look at Apple. And the other thing I want to mention is The stochastic oscillator, this particular indicator is momentum, and the colors represent, what do the colors represent? Well, let me say it this way. If the red line is over the blue, then that's a sell. If the blue line is over the red, it's a buy. And the CCI indicator is where price wants to go. So it's indicating the net worth where price is headed. So when I'm determining whether I'm going to get in a trade, I'm looking at my candlesticks, I'm looking at these indicators, and looking for my my engulfing candle, and deciding if now is the time or not. Now, Jalil, our binary master, he uses purchase time. He does either the 1 minute, and these are the time frames. He does the 1 minute or 2 minute time frame. I'm on the 1 minute. And he does purchase time. Well, I don't like purchase time. Who am I though? You have the option to change it to expiration time. And as I've been in this app, you know, working through things, I like the 30-second expiration time. Now, yesterday I tried 45 seconds and I was like a hit or miss. I did like 8 trades and I think I was like 4 out of 4. So I didn't really, it was okay, but you know, I'm still just finding my flow and what I like. And you can do the same thing. But our master trader in binary options, Jalil, he uses purchase time. So that's what he does. He found what works for him. I like expiration. I want those 30 seconds to go quick. And you'll see that these candles, this price will fluctuate. And I find that at the last minute, sometimes it just goes the other way, even though all the indicators are going the way that I expected. Sometimes I think, you know, I say that it's just very manipulated. I can't prove it, but that's what I say. So let's just see what we can get into. So right here with Apple, it appears that this last candle is engulfing the candle before, but we'll see. I see that the our indicators, okay, so it just shot up. The blue is over the red, and it would appear that it's a buy. So I'm going to say,
Karen, can I interrupt you for a second?
absolutely.
When you before you get ready to do it, because some of us are using phones, can you tell us like where do you find if you're going to change it to a currency or a stock on the either on the phone or on the computer? Like
Okay.
where do you, yeah.
Let me pull it up on my phone so I can walk you through it, because it's different on the phone and on the computer. It definitely is, and that's why I prefer the computer. So I don't know, did I win that trade or no? Let's see. Okay, I did not. We're going to try again. All right, I'm pulling up my pocket options on my phone. Okay. Now, what do you want to know first, Alicia?
Just to show us like where, you know, where is the time, you know, if they want to change the time, if they want to pick an option for the either a stock or a currency. Okay.
Gotcha. So on the phone, on the top left, If you click on the name of the stock that you're on, mine, when I clicked on, it was on Apple. But top left, what word is up there? Is it on a,
It says, it says Apple.
okay, hit Apple, click on Apple, and then you should get another screen that gives you options.
See, mine's in the middle and it says Johnson and Johnson.
Okay, click on Johnson and Johnson, just hit Johnson and Johnson.
Okay, that's where, okay.
You probably don't have an iPhone.
No, I don't. I have a more better Android.
Did you hear that sarcasm? So,
Okay.
so did you get a screen that gave you options? When
Yeah.
you hit Johnson? Okay,
Yeah.
so that's where you would choose what you want.
Okay.
You click on currencies, commodities, or stocks, and
Okay.
then
And then the time, I guess, is the symbols at the very bottom as well, right?
at the bottom, I have a word that says expiry time, and I clicked on that,
Okay.
and then it gave me the option, gave me a little clock,
Right.
and then you could do that. Now I'm trying to see. Okay, if you click on the flag will allow you to change it to purchase or expire.
I don't have a flag.
Mm.
Mine just says expiry times.
Uh,
Trade
But
pursuit.
there is a clock next to it, but it just says time frame.
No, you should
Oh.
have an option for purchase time, and I'm not sure where that is on your.
On an Android, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's see.
See, y'all gotta get an iPhone.
Come on over.
That's okay. Don't hold me. I will
Okay.
find it. I'll find it at some point.
Okay.
But I'm on expiry time anyway, just for the sake of you chaining.
All right. And then something else I was going to say about this. Underneath, where you see the clock, that should show the time frame. So I'm on an M1 minute, like 1 minute. And then to the left of that, at least on the iPhone, you can change it from candles to a line chart or the Heikin-Ashi candles, but we're on regular candles. I can see you can do that on your.
Yeah, Alicia likes Hakanashi.
Oh, you do? Okay, all right. And you might, I haven't tried it over here, but I might like it too, because I'm just trying to find my way through here. So right now I'm still on Apple. We're gonna give Apple another try. I see apparently it looks like, also I didn't mention the moving averages, the SMMA, I got a 10 and a 7. And I forgot why Jalil had us do that, but basically anything above, it's a buy, anything below, it's a sell. So I'm seeing that current the structure now is everything is headed up. The blue is over the red, on the stochastic oscillator. The CCI looks like it wants to go up, but it's not pointing down. I see that this M1 has this time frame is counting down now 9,876. So in 4 more seconds, a new candle is going to appear. I'm going to go in and say I'm expecting price to be above, because it's an uptrend. My indicators are all saying it's going up. Also, the trade amount, I'm trading $10, and because I'll get an 80% payout if I win this trade, I'll get a total of $18. So that'll show as well on your phone what you're expected to get. Okay, I earned $18 in 30 seconds. I just won that trade.
Oh, okay.
See, over here, I've taken, since we've been on, I've taken 2 trades, one out of the 2. So I'm half and half, but just in 30 seconds, that's how fast it goes. Now I could trade more,
Mhm.
you know, and of course you get more, but I'm just trying to be sensible, because if I was trading live, I just want to steadily grow my account. I don't want to get into greed mode. I just, 18 times 10, if I get 10 trades, I mean, that's, come
That's a
on.
lot of money. Now,
That's a lot.
can you go back?
Mhm.
Okay, so hold on, where was I lost at? Okay, so I could see where you see it's an uptrend because blue is over the red.
Mhm.
And then you set it up for $10. Where is the point where you get in? I think I got lost there.
Oh,
The
so
green button.
do you see this? Can you see my screen where I'm circling here?
Yeah,
Okay.
when it
Oh,
counted down.
it's still
Okay.
going, but now I'm gonna say it's going down.
Yeah.
The reason I say that now is because I saw the CCI spike down real quick.
Okay.
And so, having done this over and over and over again,
Uh-huh.
but see, now it's turning around going the other way. So, yeah. So, okay. Then the other thing I want to say, I'm doing 30 seconds. Now, perhaps if I had a longer time frame to
Uh-huh.
give it a chance to go down and come up, and you know how these candles do,
Yeah.
I could possibly be more profitable. But since I've been back testing and practicing, 30 seconds really has been working for me.
So you just lost just now,
I
right?
just lost, yes.
Okay.
But
All right.
I lost because I only looked at, and see, this is another lesson. We don't lose, we have lessons. How about that?
Okay. There you go.
I saw the CCI turn down. That's where price wants to go. But I
But
was premature. It's going to come down.
yes.
It wants to come down, but it's not ready yet.
Right.
So had I probably should have said, no, let's look at something else, because it's in an uptrend. We see
Mhm.
CCI wants to go down. So right now, we kind of confused. Am I willing to risk? Then we have to decide, am I willing to risk going in at that, doing expecting price to go lower than where I got in? So
Now, what I was seeing when you thought the price was going down on that last candle, but I had still saw that the blue was over the red, so I thought it was still an uptrend.
which was correct. You were absolutely correct. But I've seen when the CCI shoots down real quick,
Okay.
it'll turn around. I was a candle premature. Because you see what I'm doing now?
Yes. Now, okay. Got you.
So
So you just have to figure out which candle is going to do it on.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
because that Rich, isn't that candle, 2 candles before that? That's what hammer? That's a hammer candle. Wait,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yes.
And
So,
that's the other thing, knowing the candlestick patterns, knowing what it means and all of that.
right.
Yes. See, now
Okay.
it's coming all the way down. But I was a candle premature.
Your candle too soon. Okay. Got you.
So let's look at
Which stocks do you trade, commodities or currencies?
I trade everything. I look
you
for
do?
setup.
Okay.
We're just looking for setup. So now I'm over here at stock. No, let's look at commodities. So I always start with gold because I love gold. But gold is so volatile, even on pocket is volatile. So because these indicators, I'm seeing it's under my smooth moving averages.
Mhm.
Here's to be in a downtrend. My stochastic, I got the red is over the blue,
Mhm.
indicates a sell. Um, I got 10 seconds, 8, 9 before the next candle forms. Do I want to get in and expect it to continue to go down? And I'm going to say yes. But see, now look at that.
Uh-oh.
See, you see what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Mhm. So I'm only in here for 30 seconds. I'm already at 15 seconds. And it's playing. I'm about to lose. But because it's a minute candle, it still has 30 more seconds
Mhm.
it's gonna do. So either I need to expand my time.
Oh, you can still expand it while it's in the trade?
No.
Oh, okay, okay. You mean next time?
Next time. Let's see. Now look
Okay,
at it.
got you.
So if I would have had now 8 seconds or less, had I been in there for a whole minute,
Uh-huh.
I would have been trade. Because look at price now.
But it looks like you just won.
No, I lost because I was only in 30 seconds. My 30 seconds have been up.
Oh, shoot. Okay, got you. Okay.
So again, like yesterday, I was trying with 45 seconds just to give myself time because usually what I've been finding at the last few seconds, it turns.
Okay.
Now, of course, I said it was going to be a downtrend. It's still going down, but the price in which I entered the trade, it closed within those 30 seconds above that price, although it's still going down.
So maybe you should do 45 seconds instead of a whole minute.
Well, how
No,
about that? How about we
try that.
Well, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's see. Let's see. I'm just trying to figure out what works.
Yeah, 'cause that gives you a little bit of a
Extra
better
time.
window. Yeah.
Still the red is over the blue. Still going in a downtrend. Oh, a candle just started. So let's see. Okay, so I'm in again. Now, will you look at that?
But it's a solid candle, so it's going to turn the other way. Because I think it's anytime it's a really solid candle, the next one should be a solid one as well.
Okay. But right now I got 23 seconds left. 20
Now
seconds.
point your arrow to where that time is. Okay, right there next to the M1.
Right here.
Oh, up there. Oh, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Okay,
Yeah.
got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
When I entered in, it's going, my 45 seconds started when I entered in because I didn't enter. Did I get
Oh,
it?
look at you.
So
Did
you
I get
won.
it? See?
I'll take part of that money in Venmo, please.
Because we did. See, so that 45 seconds in
45
this
seconds. Yeah, you got to give it a little bit more time for the candle to form.
made a difference.
Yeah.
So essentially, this is technically really, really scalping. Would you all agree?
Yeah.
Like in and out. And then I'm done with gold because you're making my heart.
Yeah, that one.
Too much. Like And then I know Jalil said something else, and I didn't have it written down when he says when the indicators are like flat like that. Like he doesn't like to get in when they're flat because there's really no indication of what's going to happen. But although we can look at these candlesticks
Mhm.
and see if there is a pattern forming, we can wait to see if we just want to trade silver, or we can just keep moving because we got so many other options to look at. So let's look at a currency. Well, only 4 of them are trading 80%, so we only got 4 options. So ERUB, ooh, it's going in an uptrend. The blue is over the red, indicating buy. So we'll see.
Is the blue over the blue? Which one is that? What indicator is that one?
The stochastic.
Oh no, the blue over the blue.
These
Yes,
are
yes.
the smooth moving averages.
Oh, the
EMA.
smooth moving average. Okay.
Yeah.
7 and 10.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So it still appears to be in an uptrend. Looks like it's a strong uptrend. So once a new candle forms, we'll see what it's doing. If it's a strong candle, like you said, Alicia.
And you
My-
have your chart. Your chart is oh, it went back to Apple. Sorry, never mind. Is that euro versus the ruby?
Yes.
Okay.
'Cause
Sorry, Alicia.
No,
Yeah.
that's what I was gonna say. My SMA says simple moving average.
Yes,
Oh, is that the same thing?
same thing.
Oh, okay. And you said it was, oh, that's another thing. Karen, can you show us like whenever you finish the trade, can you show us how to change the numbers in the averages, like in the settings?
Sure.
Don't
Oh,
you just double click on it?
let me see how to choose. Oh, did I win? Yay, I won. I gotta figure out how to do it on the phone. Because I
Oh.
trade, I make all my changes on the computer and then it automatically
Oh,
updates.
got you. Okay, it changes on when you change it on the computer, it changes it on the phone. It already is on the phone.
Yeah, but let me just click on the phone. Do you have any indicators showing on your screen?
Yeah, on my phone. So I'm already in my number says 14 under period. I don't understand what period is.
Wait a minute, you were mumbled.
Let me see. I'm on the smooth moving average. And the color setting is green.
Indicator. Oh, there we, okay, see, you gotta go back. In the middle,
Oops.
I have something that looks like it's a pen in a box.
Hmm.
Should you not be able to press on that little symbol to the right of the number or the 7 or the 10?
Oh,
Is
the
that not,
edit.
does that not indicate?
On the computer? Yes. But on the phone,
No.
Okay, so your period right there is 7.
Yeah.
Mine was 14.
okay.
Okay, so
So
let me change mine to 7.
it's a 7 and a 10.
But now what is 10? Because I only have just period. What's 10? Could you open that? Could you edit that again? Oh, okay, so you have one that says 7. What's that second one? Is that the same simple moving average also?
Yes.
I only have one thing to change though. It just says period. That's really weird.
Yeah. Oh,
So you can, I have exponential, I got EXP moving average, and I have the simple moving average, but I don't have two SMMAs. I wonder, can you maybe the phone and the pocket option just only gives you one.
maybe. But what if you put it on
The computer?
it'll transfer over.
Okay, I'll try that later on. But
And,
you said 7 and 10 though.
and why 7 and 10? I don't know. I just did what Jalil said.
Okay.
It's the same. It's the same as our 7 and 14 or 13 on the 4XLG.
Okay.
But it would be nice though to change the colors, and I think you can by going to that style, so that you got colors, 2 different colors, so
Right. Yeah.
Okay.
so it's not confused.
All right. Well, let's do that then. Hey, how about that?
Yeah, there you go.
Let's do what goes with blue. How about that?
That's fine. Looks good.
Okay, there we go.
Now you got to figure out which ones Which?
You're right.
Oh
Practicing that too.
my goodness.
Essentially, this is pocket options. This is
Yeah.
Don't ask me how I was able to add that second moving average. It just said add it under the indicator, so I was able to do it.
okay, wonderful.
I promise you, I can't tell you how I did it.
But you did it.
It's okay though. We're learning, right?
Yep.
Okay, so let me take another look at this. Red is over the blue. Appears to be coming down, but the candles aren't. Is that a doji? The last candle that formed? Right here.
Yeah.
Okay. So
Yeah, form of a doji.
yeah, we're gonna keep moving. Oh, now it's only two currencies that are paying 80%. So now look at this. The red is over the blue. Excuse me, the blue is over the red, which indicates a buy, but that CCI is saying price wants to come down. So
It's fluctuating. It's trying.
yeah, so we keep it moving. Because we got other options. We just gonna find something else. Let's go over here to the stocks, see what's going on. And that's what. So over here in pocket options, we look for setups. We're not waiting around trying to no, because we have so many options available, and we look for the best setup and hit it hard. I don't like that. No.
So how much did we win for you today so far?
So far, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We got half and half, 3 out of 6.
All right.
So
Didn't win enough. Didn't lose enough.
yeah. So so far today, that's $54 in 30 minutes that we started. So
But you also lost $54 too, right?
no, I lost 10, 20, 30 because you only win the extra. You
I
only
got you.
lose
I got you.
what you bet.
I got you.
Yeah, which is great. And so essentially,
So you put up 30 to make 54.
that's what I did.
Okay. Is this your live account or demo?
Oh, this demo.
Oh, okay.
Demo.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we're just playing around with these expirations and purchase times. You know, Jalil, he's a stickler to purchase time for whatever reason. But every time purchase time, it just seemed like it went so long, and I'm just like, oh no. So, but we're just in here trying to perfect it. But for me, since I don't have to decide an entry price, I don't have to decide how many pips.
Mm-hmm. Right.
I'll make all those decisions. I need to decide, is price going up or is price coming down?
I like that.
For whatever time frame, I'm gonna do it. Now I know Ryan one time he did a pocket options training, and he was doing a 2-minute expiration time.
Mm.
2 minutes is that's long. That's
too much time. Yeah.
That's a Forex candle. Like, oh my gosh, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm just like, no, I'm to me, if I'm gonna be a scalper, I'm gonna scalp over here where I can control the time frame and hopefully make educated entries based on what I see the market doing and how these indicators.
Oh, we can't hear you, Karen. So where'd you go?
I'm here.
Sound like you went in the wind or something.
No, somebody must have joined and didn't mute.
Oh no, there you are again now.
Okay.
This actually is perfect for the lady that just joined the team.
Mhm.
I think this will be a way better option for her because she would catch on to this quick.
Well, I think it's easier for beginners.
Uh-huh.
You really should, learning the candles, learning market structure. That's it.
Yeah.
You got to learn something now. You just don't get in here pressing buttons. But Forex, it really takes a little longer to catch all the concepts.
Yeah.
I kind of just, when they rolled out pocket options, I just fell in love. Like, I can do that. Like, up or down, yes or no, red
Yeah.
or green. Like, yeah. So this is essentially how pocket options is done. And once you perfect it, then you can increase your trade amount to, because the more you trade, the more you win.
Well, you
And
definitely need to do that because you can't, if you stay on $10 all the time, you can't see the reaction of these indicators. You're so used to using $10.
yeah,
If you put it on $50, it may be slightly different.
yeah. And let's trade. I mean, because we can always add more money to the demo account. I don't like Bank of America. I don't like what it's doing. It's stochastic oscillator. They're flat. The CCI looks like it's going down. These prices are no. So we just keep moving till we find a good setup. I don't like that. Yeah. Mm,
I'm going to do a trade along with you on my thing too. So which one are you working on?
Let me
Caterpillar?
Caterpillar. I'm on Caterpillar, and I think I'm gonna do a that is gonna go down.
Let's see if you went along with you. Okay, you gonna do it now?
Now I'm in.
Okay, me too. And when it's done, it'll automatically take you out, right? You either win or lose it.
It'll say you won however much, or you won zero. But you're gonna
Where does it say that at?
it'll pop up on your screen,
Oh, got you. Okay.
and you can see based on your total balance. Did anything was anything added? Oh, I've lost this.
Yeah, that one's going up.
So we can find some. Well, let me see.
You still got 5 seconds.
Yeah, it's going up.
Out.
Yeah.
Now,
and
okay, yeah, I heard the bell. Now, I have a RSI indicator, and that thing is shooting up crazy. Up,
So
up.
it's telling you it's going up.
Yeah,
Now look at this. Look.
yeah.
See, it's almost like I'm a candle
You're a candle behind.
early. So so really that CCI is really the indicator. Stochastic is saying one thing, but that CCI was
Yeah, now
telling you.
my RSI went down this time. Yeah.
So, and that's another thing. What indicators are going to work best for you?
Better for you. Uh-huh.
But I see this CCI, like, there we go. And that green candle was a strong candle.
Yeah, it was.
Yeah, it was.
So all indications would have thought, okay, we're going up, but
this might be a tweezer top right here.
oh, it could be, yeah. And that's the other thing, knowing the candle.
On your candles in that Bible.
Yep. And that's what I'm.
If it makes a tweet, no, it didn't make a tweezer bottom.
Nope, but it made a tweezer top.
Yeah.
So I'm done with
Now
Caterpillar.
it might go up.
Yeah, I'm looking.
No,
My RSI is going down.
yeah,
So
it should go down.
You want to go back in?
Yeah, I just did mine just now.
Well, go ahead on and tell me what happened.
Okay.
I'll
I'll tell you.
You got expiration or purchase time?
I
Huh?
A tweezer top should have indicated a downward motion, so
Okay. so
yeah,
here we-
that's what you're getting.
All right, I'm gonna try to jump in when the next one forms.
I'm just watching. I can see why you like it on your desktop because you can
Yeah.
clearly see the candles better.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, that little phone, no, I don't like that.
Yeah. I can see
right.
that for sure.
Cut it out.
I
How much
got
time?
3, 2, 1.
Okay, I won.
You
Yay!
did?
And
Yeah.
I did $50, so I won $90.
Come on here.
Cool.
For how many seconds?
45.
Come on. Can you do that in 4X?
Okay, I like that. No, girl.
Okay.
I mean, I can if I up my lot size and I
Right.
trade on NAS.
Yeah. But I was telling Rich earlier, I thought I was in my demo. I got in a NAS trade, the Blues Brothers called. And when I realized it, I'm finna lose this one too. Yeah. Negative $32.
Ouch. Yikes.
And because New York session, I'm working. And so I just, usually I do my demo and I'm just like, because I don't really have to watch it that closely. And when
Yeah.
I realized, I was like, oh my gosh, $32. So that's why I left Forex alone. And I've been
Okay.
on binary because I listen. But essentially, this is binary DNA. This is what I love. And I'm
I can
committed.
see. I can see why.
Yeah,
And-
it does look like you could really make some good money off this thing.
Yeah.
You can.
Karen, you need to go back in that candlestick Bible and start learning more of these reversals.
Yeah. And then that's going to help. That will only help.
It
Yeah,
will.
because like you said, basically because you're always you said you seem to be a candle behind.
Yeah.
So if you know what that candle's doing, you almost can tell what the next one
Yeah.
may do.
Yeah.
Not always, but may
Not,
do.
yeah. And then perfect the time frame in which I'm going to stay in the trade.
Yeah.
So
Oh, you move. Okay, you're still on Caterpillar. Okay.
yeah, but I'm going to leave Caterpillar because Caterpillar didn't pay me. So then I get angry with my pairs, and I'm like, I'm leaving you. I quit you.
They treat
yeah.
you wrong, huh?
Don't want to pay me nothing. My $90.
Right.
I think I want to be a fly on your wall.
And
Just so I can listen to you.
Yelling at it.
cussing it out in non-cuss words. That's what I do. The other thing is when you click on another pair, whether it's a currency or a stock or commodity, you want to make sure that it is indeed paying 80% because sometimes they change really quick.
Oh, got you. Okay, you always checking. Okay, got you.
So sometimes, you'll be in it and then it's paying, this low percentage and you're like, why? But it had already changed. So
Okay.
I
Okay.
got you.
that's the other thing.
And did they say which broker to use for pocket options?
No, Pocket Options is the broker.
Oh, so you could just pay them to do a live one as well.
Yeah, you create a live account using Bitcoin, and
Oh, okay.
it's easy as 1, 2, 3, and you're in.
Okay. Oh, good to know. Okay.
Yeah. And so essentially, this is it, ladies and gentlemen.
Well, I like that. Yeah, that
I did
like
too.
I said, I think you really saved me because I was really trying to figure out the friend that just joined. I'm just thinking it's going to be really hard for her to learn. I just know her personality, and this is way more up her style, her alley.
Yeah. And so of course, I'm committed to learning Forex and perfecting that. In the meantime,
yeah, and in between time,
this was easier for me to kind of grasp. And I'm still perfecting my particular strategy. Although I really need to go back and listen to Jalil the way he does stuff because the first guy who what was his name? The binary sniper or something.
oh, the binary guy, yeah,
Got
got his name.
that's who, helped.
Mr. Unemployable.
No. It was another guy. He used to teach during the day, 2 p.m. Eastern.
Yeah.
Or 2
Mr.
p.m.
Unemployable is a crypto guy, I think.
Yeah, you're right. That's right.
But he really just made it seem so simple. And initially, when they came out with binary, it was the guy who had a total brain injury. I forgot
Oh,
his name.
Thomas Carver.
Yes, and I was like, now this man got a total brain injury and can learn this. Now, ain't nothing wrong with my brain, other than
Right.
I'm just a little older. I'm
Right.
gonna perfect this. So I was just
Right.
like, I'm gonna get this here.
Yeah.
So this is why I was just like, this is gonna be my day, and we're together forever. How about
Yeah.
that?
I can see that. I can definitely see that for sure.
So
This is kind of cool. I like it.
this is and you can do it 24/7.
Well, I like that you're in and out. You could do it all the time, and you're kind of in and out.
Yeah, it's scalping. It's like, what I was able to do, because during the day, when I'm working on my break or on my lunch, I can commit to giving, 4 30-second trades, like
Yeah, right.
in and out. But I
Yeah.
can't do that on Forex unless it's to me like a pending order.
Right. Exactly. Yeah, you're right.
Because them Blues Brothers, they're like, it's on you. You got to be watching. They call it, you get in, but you better know when to get out.
When to get out. Yep. Right.
And I learned my lesson the other day.
Don't take your eyes. Don't let that phone ring.
Yes. So this is essentially pocket options, binary options on the pocket option platform. This is it.
That's
Well, I
it.
thank you for that. Everybody
That's
else is
good.
kind of quiet. I don't know if they have any questions or not.
Hey,
But you have-
Terrell, Shauna, did you guys learn anything?
Yes, I did. It was very interesting and informative. Thank you.
You're quite welcome. We're glad that everybody jumped on.
Yeah, I definitely gained a lot out of that. Thank you, Karen.
Yes, thank you very much, Karen.
You were very clear and everything. That was so good. Definitely going to do the desktop and definitely going to start
Any-
switching.
Anytime you help Alicia win $90, you're in a good spot.
You
You're
are
in a
my
good
friend
spot.
for life.
Well, we're connected, so
Yeah, we are.
we are connected.
Well, I'm definitely going to get this thing put on the computer tomorrow.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Do they have which they, of course they have an app to put it on. I guess you just download it from Google Chrome.
Yes.
Okay.
All
All right, for sure.
Karen, thank you for this. You, like Alicia said, you explained it so simple and easy. Because I was trying not to get into this until I got more into the Forex, but this seems easy. So I think I'm gonna do a little more research on this.
Yeah.
I will start this one as well as during the Forex. Because this, I mean, everybody says it's simple.
Yeah.
But I couldn't wrap my head around it, but you made it so simple. So thank
Yeah.
you.
Exactly. Yeah.
And again, once we know these candlestick patterns, now look at all of this market uncertainty. Look at all of these candlesticks are giving us.
They're telling you what, I mean, this one just before the green candle definitely told a clear doji that it was going to reverse on you, and it did it.
And it did.
Yeah.
So I think it will only enhance our Forex,
Yes, absolutely.
even if you only did demo, to get your skill up and then transfer those skills over to Forex, because
Hey guys, look at the screen. You have two dojis, right? One next to the green candle and then one between the two red candles.
Uh-huh.
So make sure if you're going to do to rely heavily on that doji, it may be one that's signaling a continuation and not a reversal.
okay.
Because it has the other two dojis right there.
Yeah, well, this one here is more like a pure doji.
Yeah, the
Because
one right before the
the-
green.
The top and bottom wicks are close together or
Yeah.
close to the same length.
Yeah,
This one here is more like a gravestone. And
yeah,
Yeah.
gravestone,
that's
yeah.
reversal.
Yeah.
So I guess our next class should be going over candles, huh?
Yeah.
That would be very, very helpful. And Monday nights, guys, I'd be trying to stay up.
I know it's so hard because you're on the East Coast. It's really hard.
I'd be trying, and then I start getting sleepy, and then I'm
Yeah.
just like,
I wonder, can we switch it to an hour before? Like instead of 7, make it 6.
That's up to you guys.
so that would be not 9 o'clock.
Yeah, that'd be 9 instead of 10 for you. Yeah,
Because I about 10 o'clock, I'm winding down.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
9 o'clock sometimes for me is still kind of tricky
Okay.
because I do so much on during the week and making up for during the weekend for what I missed during the weekend. I'm on the east side too. So 10 o'clock was definitely not for me. But
Not
9
doable, huh?
o'clock, I'm not sure. I'll try, but like I was telling Rich, I don't know if the computer's going to be watching me or
Right.
me watching the computer, but I'll
Well,
try.
we could always split the baby and do 9:30 instead. It doesn't have to be 9 or 10. Maybe it could be 9:30.
Yeah, I could commit to anything before 10. I mean, which would 10 Eastern, I'll say.
Yeah, 10 Eastern on Mondays. Yeah.
Or, just alternate the times perhaps.
Yeah, we don't always have to be the same because a lot of Mondays, a lot of people don't get on anyway. Well, yeah.
But if we can do, because I know I'm Samika, I'm on her Friday Candlestick Bible, but the last 2 weeks it was canceled.
Yeah, she canceled it on Friday. Yeah. This Friday. Yeah.
But still just really getting in there because I was going to start drawing pictures so they could be ever before me. Because, I have the book or anything, but just so I can commit it to memory when I see that, what it means.
Yeah.
When I see this one, what does it mean? Because Coach Max last night on their Q&A, she was telling people, the money is in the candlesticks.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
It's in the candlesticks. She's like, because people were asking her about fibs, and her and Ryan would go back and forth, and she's not really into fibs. She's looking. She knows those candlestick patterns.
Right.
Margaret,
Listen, guys, you only need 10. There's only 10. There's only 10 reversals
okay.
that are really meaningful. I think there's a few more, but they're not as well known or used as the first 10. So if you use like the candles, let me think for a sec. The candles that we use for the master candle setup,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm-hmm.
Which is the engulfing candle,
Yep.
the master candle.
Mm-hmm.
What's the other 2? There's 5 altogether. Oh, the Harami.
Arami.
There's 2 more. Okay, I guess it's bullish, bearish on both the Harami and the engulfing candle.
Mhm.
And I can't remember what the last one is. I cannot remember. My brain went fried.
Yeah. It's from
But those, if you know those, then you got a good shot at knowing half
Mhm.
of the candlesticks that are reversal candlesticks. And that way it gives us a better shot of if we're gonna get into this, then we definitely need to know what these candles are telling us when they form.
Yeah.
Did y'all see what just happened?
Yeah, I did.
Do we see what?
What just happened?
I got in that trade. It went up until like 5 seconds.
Oh, and then just reversed on you, huh?
Mhm.
Wow.
So then you just really want to pick up the computer and throw it across the room.
Yeah, I know. And as much as it is a quick, fast thrill, it's also a quick way to lose money if you're not really on your game. That's why I
Which is-
think more so with pocket options, you need to know your candles.
You need to know you can't, and which is why I was on my $10 because
Because if you're losing, you're not draining your account.
Yeah.
Yeah, I got you.
so
You
that,
get good at it. And up
Okay,
your
so we want
lots.
to, we want to do candlesticks tomorrow night?
Yeah, I think so. That'd be a good thing, Rich.
Okay, what time are we gonna do it? At our normal
Well,
time, or you want to do it
because we
an hour
haven't
before?
because we haven't given people enough notice to know it's gonna change.
and
Okay.
I can commit to getting on. Now staying on, I don't know. But I can definitely commit to getting on at 10. Absolutely.
Okay, I think Terrell and Shauna are both new. So if you do not have the information yet, I am available for a one-on-one anytime you want.
Okay,
Yeah,
thank you so much.
Yeah, I invited Shauna, so I would be able to get her anything that she needs.
Okay, yeah, anytime y'all want to jump on, just send me a text in the messenger chat and we'll figure out a time to do it.
Perfect. Okay.
Thank you.
Anything else we want to go over today?
I can release my sharing back to you.
Okay, I'll stop the recording.
Okay.